Hello YouTube, thought I'd do a quick video here. This is not really GMRS related, but it may help you with your circuit building. I'm going to show you the fastest way to remove components off a circuit board. And what I mean by that is, if you have an old TV or an old radio or whatever you're going to throw out, and if you are planning on doing some electronic, DIY electronic build circuits, you can rob these parts and reuse them for your little projects instead of buying new parts. So, like in this case here, I have this is an old power supply that was for a cordless drill. I don't care about the circuit board, so I don't care if I damage it. I just want the parts on the other side, like this capacitor. There might be regulator or whatever else, this adjustable trimmer pot. But the point is, service mount, you won't be able to really use this technique on. There's some service mount components on there, but you won't really be able to do that with this technique. There's a couple ways you can do this, and like I said, this board's junk anyways. I'm going to throw it away, but I want to rob these parts. Now I could either use a pencil type little torch that has a flame, and you heat it up, and then you can pull out, take a pair of pliers and you pull out the part you need. Or if you don't have one of those, you can use a propane one. This is MAP gas, but it can be propane. It doesn't matter. So what you do is you just get this lit here, and you don't need it much. You probably can't even see the flame. But you heat up the solder, and it'll heat up quick. There, I got the part out already. Instead of doing one leg at a time, using a regular solder iron, you can just heat it up with a torch. Like I said, I don't care about the circuit board. See, another part just came right off. So that's how you do that. Like I say, you can reuse some of these parts, so you don't have to buy them. Same with ICs and stuff, and another one there. So you get the idea. The parts are marked. Obviously, this capacitor is marked what value it is. Now, if you want to do like transistors and stuff, again, there'll be markings on the parts, and you can use NTE's website, and you can enter in the part number. Usually, the part number, like on this one, is going to be the SFF 10046. This is probably a bridge rectifier by the symbols. That's probably what this one is. But I'll post the link to the website where you can cross-reference these parts to get the data sheets. Another big capacitor there I can pull out. A couple disc capacitors. You can also use the internet to look up those part numbers so you know what value they are. There's some resistors. Another transistor down there. But the point is that you can salvage a lot of these parts. You don't have to buy them. Especially when you need one, like these little lytic capacitors. This is a 10 microfarad 25 volt, so this would work great for any 5 volt circuitry, because it can handle up to 25 volts. Even a 12 volt circuitry, this will work fine on. But they're marked on here what the values are if you need this stuff. Then if you're wondering, well, how can the leads are short, how do I, we can take a pair of pliers and straighten out the leads with the needle nose. You can either solder on longer wires if you need to, or just use it the way it is. So that's how you kind of recycle. I call it recycling electronic circuit boards. And like I said, some of them have really good parts. Like this one right here is an old police scanner. There's a whole bunch of LEDs I can rob out. There's a couple ICs. Some of these ICs I can look up to see what they are. This ICs actually might even be on a socket. Nope, this one is. This one's in a socket. So a crystal I can rob out. But it works great. Like I say, it will damage the circuit board, so obviously it does leave black marks on the circuit board, but I don't care. I'm throwing this away anyways. So that's the fastest way to desolder parts for salvage, to reuse them for other projects. So hopefully this video has been helpful. And if you have any questions or comments, post them down below. Thank you and have a good day.